FlexOffers Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now let's get started. FlexOffers is a well-established affiliate network that provides access to thousands of advertisers across multiple industries, including e-commerce, finance, travel, and technology. It's designed for both beginner and experienced affiliates, offering a wide range of programs with competitive commission rates. What sets FlexOffers apart is its combination of traditional CPA, CPS, and lead-based offers, giving affiliates flexibility in monetizing their traffic. One of the standout features of FlexOffers is its fast approval process. Unlike some networks that require direct approval from each advertiser, many programs on FlexOffers are available for instant activation. The platform also offers an intuitive dashboard with real-time tracking, helping affiliates monitor performance and optimize campaigns. Another major advantage is the FlexRev Share program, which allows affiliates to earn additional revenue by referring other marketers to the network. Payments are processed reliably, with options including direct deposit, PayPal, and wire transfer. Now let's talk about strengths. First, FlexOffers provides a vast selection of advertisers, including exclusive deals not found on other networks. The platform's tracking system is accurate, ensuring affiliates receive proper credit for their referrals. Payment processing is faster than many competitors, with bi-weekly payouts available for active affiliates. Additionally, FlexOffers has a dedicated support team, offering assistance when needed. However, there are some weaknesses. While the approval process is quick for many programs, some high-paying advertisers still require manual approval, which can slow things down. Commission rates vary widely, and some offers may not be as competitive as those found on other networks. Additionally, while the platform is functional, the interface isn't as modern or user-friendly as some competitors, requiring a bit of a learning curve. So, is FlexOffers worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a network with fast approvals, a wide range of programs, and reliable payouts, it's a solid choice. Just be selective about which offers you promote to maximize earnings. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.